To share the heart rate sensor of your Coros watch to another device, press and hold the lower button and navigate with the crown up to Broadcast HR. This one. Select it, and right from here, it is actually broadcasting the heart rate as any heart rate sensor. But actually, it's your watch. So if, by example, I come here on a Garmin watch, and I go to like here, sensor and accessories, add new, search for all sensors. I may wait for a few seconds, and I will see the Coros watch available for the Garmin watch. So you see this one, HR, and that's the address Bluetooth. That's the Bluetooth address of the Coros watch. So I can select it, and now I've got the earth rate of the Coros watch on it. So you see, actually, it is connected. You need to have a pulse to be connected. And you see, if I come back here, right there, you can see my heart rate of the Coros watch. So you can do it for any devices. It can be a Tax, for Zwift, or whatever you want. That's how you share the earth rate of your Coros watch to another device. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.